Hello guys, in this video we will see how to configure or set up PostgreSQL Server 17 on Kali Linux 2025. Why we are not going to install? Because PostgreSQL Server is a pre-installed application on Kali Linux 2025.2. Okay, so first open the terminal. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Provide the password of this sudo user. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. It is started. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running. It is started 2 seconds ago. Also enable it. Go to quit. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL. Hit enter. It is done. Control L. Verify again. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running and it is enabled. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Control L. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is not the PostgreSQL Server version. It is the PSQL client version. Now verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server that we have installed. Select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 17.5. Go to quit. Control L. First step after connecting to PostgreSQL service, we have to set the password for Postgres user, which is super user. So verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. We can also get the list of the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Okay. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Then provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully set. Now verify the list of the databases /L. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Go to quit. Now we can also get the list of the databases by running select .name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Control L. Now create a database. Create database. Verify again. See, new database bank is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use /c or /connect. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Okay. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, it is typo. I forgot to give null. Hit enter. See, we have successfully created. See, we have created table in public schema. This is the one of the table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, one row is created. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create user. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. Now verify /du. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect PostgreSQL with this new user. PSQL-h localhost -u must be caps. Then new username is David -d Postgres. We have to provide this password, whatever is there in single or double quote. See, password is on. So see, we have successfully connected with the user David. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully logged in with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, we have successfully connected to database bank, but run the query against the table that we have created. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, so exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server on Kali Linux 2025.2. So can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, it was 6 seconds ago. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. Exit from the Postgres user. Control L sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. Now restart. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted. Okay, quit. Now connect to PostgreSQL server again. Sudo postgres PSQL. Control L. Now we will find the list of the configuration files with the location. Show config_file. See, this is the main configuration file for the PostgreSQL server. Okay, and if you want to find the HBA file, that is host-based authentication file, show HBA_file. This file is also there in the same directory. If you want to find the same ident file, just give ident_file. Okay, see, all three are in the same directory. Now if you want to find the data directory, show data_direct. See, data directory is different from this configuration location. Okay, and if you want to find the log file location, just give log_direct. See, this is the log directory information. Okay, Control A. Now exit. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using Dbeaver or pgadmin. Those are the most popular tools. In this video I am going to show you how to install Dbeaver and connect PostgreSQL server. So open Firefox or any web browser. Now go to Dbeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. See, Dbeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts and everyone working with the data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MariaDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. And see, here we have the community and pro edition. So in this video we are going to download community edition. Click on download, then scroll down, then select the Linux Debian package to download. At a moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is 126 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the Dbeaver CE, means community edition Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i db, give the tab to autofill, enter Debian package name, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, then search for Dbeaver. See, here we have Dbeaver CE. CE means community edition. Click on it. Now click on this plus button. Connect to PostgreSQL server. Then select PostgreSQL. Then click on next. See, PostgreSQL is installed on this one. So localhost is fine. Default port is 5432. So all databases. Then username Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Now click on download for the driver files. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. See, expand databases. Again expand databases. See, here we have these databases. Right click on this database name. Then SQL editor. Open SQL console. Now we can run the queries here. Select star from customer because I have a table customer. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to configure the PostgreSQL server 17 on Kali Linux 2025.2. Then we have seen how to connect to PostgreSQL server from the Dbeaver. Okay. For more PostgreSQL or Kali Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.